To have the reputation of being a University of Tennessee Knoxville College of Nursing graduate and to be able to wear orange proudly every day of the week, and then have a wonderful opportunity to work at University of Tennessee Medical Center. To me, there's no other choice other than becoming a vol nurse.
It's a win-win. It doesn't get any better than that. I think we have to look at addressing this pervasive nursing shortage in a fundamentally different way. And I think the BSN Scholars Program that Dr. Niederhauser and I have championed really does that.
The BSN Scholars Program is a collaboration between the University of Tennessee Medical Center and the UT Knoxville College of Nursing. And it's an opportunity for us to come together as academic practice partners to create an educational opportunity that's advantageous for the students as well as advantageous for the medical center.
These students in this program will be able to do their clinicals here at UT Medical Center, which is the region's only academic medical center, only level 1 trauma center, only 3-time magnet designated hospital. So we are very confident that we can provide extraordinary clinical rotations and clinical experiences for students in our region.
They'll graduate earlier because it's a little bit of a condensed academic curriculum. So they'll graduate about 6 months earlier than they traditionally would graduate.
To graduate and to have the opportunity of guaranteed employment post-graduation. We do have a 3-year commitment, and during that time, you'd have an opportunity to participate in our year-long RN residency program.
All of the clinical rotations that the students will do will be in the hospital at UT Medical Center, as well as in a brand new simulated learning environment. That simulated learning environment has a skills lab where you'll learn how to do certain skills like start an IV or give an IM injection. We have a deadline of the middle of April for our applicants, and we're looking for those folks who have got some college credit and have the prerequisites for nursing, who would like to transfer into nursing, whether they come from University of Tennessee Knoxville or one of our surrounding universities or colleges.
There are a lot of information sessions coming up. We invite you to come join us, learn more about our program, and see what it has to offer you.